MSc Finance and Accounting includes modules like research method, corporate accounting, corporate finance, corporate governance, and corporate investment. All these are general skills and knowledge that are essential for everyone to become a professional learner in a global society.
I chose Sheffield University Management School because it's got a high ranking, and when I was looking at the reviews as well, I saw that it has triple accreditation, and it's got a good reputation. Employers actually, they know about Sheffield.
The assessment here for courses is really different. For one course, maybe you would have a presentation. For another one, you would have an individual coursework. For another one, you would have a group coursework. So it gives you this variety of doing new stuff.
One of the things that I really enjoy with management school in Sheffield is the way that they test the student actually more to like research, because Sheffield University is one of the best research university in the world. 80% of the coursework you have to do your empirical research, like empirical study, so that it gives you really deep understanding about the courses and really give you really good background when you go out to the industry.
My favorite part on the course was the group work, since the course has got a lot of students from different countries and from different cultures, so they've got a lot to bring to the course, and there's a lot as well for me to learn. So it actually prepares me for my future career if I'm to get employed by an employer who's based anywhere in the world.
The lectures are always there for you. So if you have any questions, they are there and they will answer you, and they will be really happy to answer you. And what's really important is that they push you. It's not like it's only the lectures that they push you to learn new stuff and push the boundaries. Sheffield University Management School is one of top 1% of business school worldwide, and it's one of the Russell Group's university. So it has its reputation. For me, I want to do a PhD after that, and I'm really considering to do it in Sheffield because it's a really good place to live in and study, and have been a great experience for me.
The knowledge that I gained from this course really helped me to secure a job with one of the biggest companies in the world, which is Intel, which I will start working with them as a financial analyst after I complete my studies, and expected to start working by October, and it's a really exciting opportunity for me.